Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. One of the things that often hinders us in tapping is that we judge ourselves for being triggered. Being triggered is not proof that you're hopeless. It's not proof that you're tapping wrong. And it's not proof that tapping doesn't work. Being triggered is simply proof you're alive. Tapping is an easy process. It is very effective, but it can be difficult to use sometimes, particularly in the beginning stages of learning to tap. Tapping in the heat of the moment is a powerful practice, but let's face it, we're human. And sometimes we just want to cry. We just want to crawl in a hole. We just want to fuss and cuss and stomp and yell. And what if you could give yourself permission to do so? Judgment-free. And then, when you've decided you've had enough, and notice that's a choice, when you make that choice that you're done, then give yourself permission to tap. I let all that go. I let it go. It's safe to let it go. And go to your happy place or a happy memory and make it as strong as you can. And notice you're choosing different resources to create something better for you. These are different resources than you were using over there in that awful, messy meltdown. And because you've given yourself permission to have that meltdown judgment-free, you've put yourself in a different position. You have a different perspective on it all. You've removed yourself from that self-destructive loop of judgment, and you're able to focus on, well, what are those memories and beliefs and emotions and thoughts? What was it that triggered me? How did that happen? And you're able to make some choices. You can choose, do I want to keep and protect this, or do I want to release and let it go? You are not identifying with it. You've removed yourself from that judgment. It is a thing. It's just a thing, and you can let it go if you want to. Tapping does reduce the frequency of being triggered. It does reduce the intensity of being triggered. And it can eliminate some triggers completely. But as long as you live, there is the potential of you being triggered by something at some point in time. And it can be the slightest provocation. Consider giving yourself permission to be triggered judgment-free. Tapping is not a magic button. It is a lifelong commitment. It's a lifelong investment in you. And the most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.